There is a new picture of the universe that's coming out of cosmology today, scientific cosmology, which is very, very different from anything anyone ever expected. It's astonishing, and it's really quite fantastic.
So relativity teaches us that the normal distinction between past and future is completely wrong.
It turns out that the bulk of the matter in the universe is not made of ordinary atoms. It's made of these mysterious particles.
Everything our telescopes reveal represents less than half of 1% of what's actually there. 99.5% of the universe is invisible.
Human beings have wrestled with questions about the origin of our existence and the fabric of our universe for thousands of years. This questioning formed the discipline of cosmology, a word that finds its roots in the Greek word cosmos, or world, and logos, which means science or knowledge. The literal interpretation is science of the world. Every culture created stories to explain how human beings fit into this great tapestry. As we learned more about the world through scientific inquiry, our stories have changed. And according to the leading thinkers we've interviewed, so has the view of ourselves. Welcome to Matter and Beyond. I'm your host, Mary Lynn Schiavi. We've spoken to several experts who have been pondering the great questions of our universe and have some fascinating insights to share. Our guests include a researcher in the area of gravitational lensing and black hole physics, a world-renowned cosmologist, and an innovative writer specializing in the philosophy of science. Join us as we embark on an adventure into a new way of understanding our world and ourselves. Dr. Priya Natarajan is an associate professor of astronomy and physics at Yale University. Her research interests include cosmology, gravitational lensing, and black hole physics. She's especially interested in the nature of dark matter and its effects.
This is a particularly wonderful time for cosmology. It's a particularly special time. I don't want to use the sort of often abused term golden age, as it were, but it's the confluence of technological progress with the kind of data that we can obtain and the level of understanding that we have built up, that, you know, this is a very special time to be doing this kind of work.
One of the foundations for the new cosmology is the theory of relativity. Special relativity is based on a very simple property of light. It states that the speed of light must be perceived the same by all of the observers. This simple fact led to a theory which showed an intimate relationship between space, time, mass, and geometry in the universe. Rather than being independent realities, Einstein showed that space, time, mass, and geometry are woven together in the fabric of the cosmos.